Okay.
Yeah.
Ma'am, you can see, no?
Yes, sir. I can see.
Hello.
Yes, sir. I can see it, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
You can, ma'am, able to see my screen,
Yeah.
no?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, so this yellow color and all, it got reconciled. So similarly, Dial and Co. So it got reconciled. So this got reconciled. So this got reconciled. Okay. So similarly, this GST payment, so got debited, tax payment, then NEFT transfer. See here 90,000. We have issued a check to Somo Enterprise. So 90,000 it has not come in the bank statement. It has not in the debit. So it is an unreconciled item that you have to note it down separately. Okay. So this is an unreconciled item. Okay. So this is an unreconciled item, and similarly to Ramesh and Co. See, we have received a check for 1 lakh that has not come in the credit side. So that is unreconciled. Okay. Okay. This is unreconciled. Similarly, NEFT transfer. We got a credit from the party, but name is not known. So 2 lakh that we have not got the details from the bank. NEFT transfer, somebody has done it. Some customer has done it. So we have to ask the bank, and accordingly we have to account it. So until then it is an under item. So it is an unreconciled item. Similarly, interest credit. Bank has given a credit for which we are not accounted. Okay. Similarly, bank charges, debit, 150 rupees debit. It is a bank charge debit. Okay. So these are all unreconciled item. Okay. So this 3 is an unreconciled item. It is appearing in the bank statement, which is not coming in our bank book of Buddy. Similarly, this is these 2 things appearing in the bank book of Buddy, not coming under in the bank statement. So these 2 things. So now we are going to do a reconciliation. See, manually I will tell you how the reconciliation has been done. But the system, when we do the in the system, when we enter this details in the system, automatically one button will be there, reconcile. When we click that reconcile, automatically it will reconcile, and reconcile in the sense we have to one by one. I highlighted, no, that we here one tick mark will be there. You have to put the tick mark, whatever for the matched items you have to put a tick mark, whereas I have highlighted in yellow. That is like that we have to put a tick mark instead of I am putting in yellow in Excel. In system there will be a tick mark, you have to put the tick mark in that. That all will get reconciled. And when you click finally reconcile button, automatically unreconciled item will be shown by the system with the opening balance. See here, bank reconciliation, closing balance as per bank book 14,60,000. Check issued but not presented for payment. We have to add in order to arrive the closing balance of bank book. Okay, these things has to be done. Closing balance we have to take 14,60,000 is the debit balance. Okay, so check issued but not presented for payment. Somo Enterprises check. So 90,000. You have to, which we have reduced in our bank book, that we have to add in order to bring to this bank statement balance. Okay. Similarly, check deposited but not realized. Ramesh and Co. Ramesh and Co. 1 lakh. Check deposited but not. So this we have added in our bank book of Buddy. That we have to reduce it. Okay. So 14 lakh. Then amount debited by bank but not accounted by us. See, this is bank charges. which is debited by bank, but not accounted by us. So that we have to reduce from our bank book of our buddy. Okay. So balance will be 14 lakh 850. Then amount credited by bank but not accounted by us. Amount credited. Which are all amount credited? NEFT transfer, interest credit, which is not accounted by us. That we have to add. So balance is 16 lakh 50, which is reconciled. And now this part, bank charges, NEFT transfer, bank interest, that is known. So that we have to account it. See, in ma'am told no that bank fee, interest charge, and all no. That is where the policy rule applies. When we give a transaction code, suppose if we give a bank charges this transaction code and interest credit, this is the transaction code. So system will segregate which are all interest credit bank charges separately. It will segregate like it will bifurcate it and it will show accordingly the reconciliation will happen. This is where the reconciliation will be happening. So once you know these are all the charges, bank charges 150 rupees, you can account here. In the month itself, you can do it. Similarly, NEFT transfer, bank interest. If you account here, automatically the balance will come down. Okay. See, the bank charges, when you add, this 150, you have to account here in our bank book. Similarly, NEFT transfer, bank interest. These two things you have to account here. So in order to make the balance here, see 16,50,350. Now we are adding is, for example, I am telling 150 rupees is the bank charges. So we are accounting it since we know. So bank charges. So by bank charges. So bank charges accounted are to HDFC Bank. Okay. Now similarly, see NEFT transfer to NEFT transfer. NEFT transfer 2 lakh. Then bank interest. Okay. 500. Okay. So 16 lakh 60 350 is the closing balance. So now 16 lakh 60 350 you have to, so this is done. So you have to remove this. You are accounted. Now this you are removing. Now 16 lakh 50 350. It is matched. Okay, ma'am. This is manual. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is
I'm listening, sir. Yeah.
This is manual thing, ma'am. This is
Okay,
how the manual bank reconciliation will happen. Suppose in case of upload, that is a automatic bank reconciliation. This bank statement, you need not enter manually. Automatically through Excel, it will get uploaded. Just now, ma'am told no. Based on the policy rules, first we have to set the transaction code. That rule has to be set accordingly. Then bifurcation will happen according to the transaction. Then it will get uploaded in the system. Once you click reconcile, automatically the transaction gets reconciled. You need not do any manual posting. You need not put any tick mark. Automatically system will do a reconciliation and finally it will display the unreconciled item. This is the difference between a manual and a upload, this automatic reconciliation. Okay, ma'am?
Okay, sir.
It's clear, ma'am?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Ma'am,
Yeah, yes,
Sana, ma'am.
yes, sir. I think that's
Okay.
it. Yeah, for today, ma'am, and Shankar sir.
Okay.
So, and Sunday, ma'am, we'll let you know the timings as to what time we'll be having our AP and AR practicals. Mostly it will be in the morning only. We'll just discuss
Okay,
and
ma'am.
put a message in the group, ma'am. So kindly
You will be
join.
sending it earlier, no, ma'am? By Saturday itself.
Yeah, ma'am. By tomorrow we'll be sending it. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, mostly it must be, it will be a bit, somewhere between 9 or 10 or something like that, ma'am. So we also
Morning, ma'am.
yeah, morning itself. Yeah, ma'am. It's okay, no, ma'am, with you. Hello.
Issue, ma'am. No, no, no. Because sorry to say, I'll
Yeah.
wake up by only by 8:30. Since I am waking
Uh,
up by 5 itself daily by
okay.
4:30. I used to take some rest on Sunday only, so that I asked it.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Because the problem is, we are facing a lot of issues with the instance, ma'am. So
Okay, okay, fine, ma'am.
even by afternoon also, sometimes I'm having a trouble. Even the afternoon batch also, I'm unable to show them, on the instance. So that's the reason, we decided at least in the morning, at least it will be a little free, so that we can finish off with that two modules or options that we're left with.
Okay. So
Yeah.
how long it will go, ma'am?
Ma'am,
Till what time?
sir, approximately 2 hours, 2.5 hours. Yeah,
More than 2 hours, ma'am.
yeah.
Safe aside 2.5 hours, we can keep it. Okay.
Okay, okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
ma'am.
sometimes we can't tell, no, ma'am. Sometimes instance,
Yeah.
sometimes. So safe aside, we can keep it as 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
yeah, because weekdays we are actually facing a lot of issues, ma'am, with the instance. Even afternoon
Okay,
batch, I'm
ma'am.
not able to take practical classes for them. So that's
Okay.
the reason. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, ma'am. Okay, Shankar sir.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you,
Thank you,
everyone.
sir.
Yeah,
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
thank you. Yeah,
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, Chitra, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
thank you.
Thank you, Sahana, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, I'll end the meeting. Okay, thank you.
Yeah.